a bust making workshop at the Exeter Phoenix and learnt how to make a bust. I was quite happy with it, and then brought it home and dropped it.
Oh my God.
Which is why she's facing that way, because she's quite... That's watercolour, the seals and everything. And they are intended to be illustrations for a book I want to make for Devon Flora and Fauna and Folklore. So they're a different goal, I guess. But then no, this is all oil sticks, and I just use the primary colours and then work it in with my hands, which I love.